Cardano value equivalent to $0.484 a coin. The present exchanged cost range of $14,445 to $14,506. The earlier day closed for $14,464. The change was plus to 45%. Opposite rate, US to ADA. Cardano estimate for August 2024. To start with cost at $43,45. Exorbitant costs of $43,45, while low costs $3,395. The found the middle value of costs $3,934. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end $650. Change for August 16%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $650. Exorbitant costs $741, while low costs $251. The found the middle value of costs $535. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends $496. Change for September 2%. Cardano gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $496. Exorbitant costs on $43.39, while low costs $496. The found the middle value of costs $318.47. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends $40.55. Change for October 16%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at $40.55. Excessive costs of $45.12, while low costs $9.22. The arrived at the midpoint of cost of $41.77. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends of $42.17. Change for November 40%. Cardano conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at $42.17. Excessive cost till $5.34, while low cost till $42.17. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of $46.40. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends of $28.92. Change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at $48.92. Excessive cost to $60.72, while low cost to $48.92. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of $15,383. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends of $18,675. Change for January 16%. Cardano figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $15,675. Excessive cost $7,007, while low cost $15,675. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $227. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end $65.49. Change for February 4%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at $65.49. Excessive cost $17.16, while low costs at $6.98. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of $16,555. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends on $16,557. Change for springs at 1%. Cardano conjecture for April 2025. Initially cost at $65.57. Excessive cost $782.96, while low costs are $63.42. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,754. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends at $68.19. Change for April 4%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at $68.19. Excessive cost $788.13, while low costs are $791. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7181. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end $7302. Change for May 1%. Cardano estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at $7302. Exorbitant costs $26, while low cost $7062. The found the middle value of cost $75.21. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end $75.94. Change for June 40%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at $75.94. Excessive costs $820.36, while low cost $78.58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $17,671. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end to $17,697. Change for July 4%. Cardano gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at $17,697. Exorbitant costs $251. while low cost 0.7171. They found the middle value of cost 0.17708. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 0.17711. Change for August 0.2%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.17711. Exorbitant costs $20.3090, while low cost 0.17711. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.8397. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends 1.776. Change for September 13.8%. Cardano figure for October 2025. Initially cost at $0.8776. Excessive costs 0.2776, while low cost 0.7370. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.8212. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 0.7925. Change for October 9.7%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $0.7925. Exorbitant costs 0.3837, while low cost 0.7925. They found the middle value of cost 0.10720. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends or 9.93. Change for November 16%. Cardano estimate for December 2025. To start with cost at $993. Exorbitant costs on 91.93, while low cost 0.7181. They found the middle value of costs 0.322. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 0.7722. Change for December 16%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $0.7722. Excessive cost 0.7722, while low cost is $6,032. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.6991. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends is 64.86. Change for January 16%. Cardano figure for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.6486. Excessive cost 0.6486, while low costs are 5.627. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.6162. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends at 16.50. Change for February 6.7%. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at $6,050. Exorbitant cost $63.11, while low costs are $5.485. They found the middle value of cost of $5.936. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends are $5.98. Change for spring 25%. Cardano estimate for April 2026. To start with cost at $5,898. Exorbitant costs are $5,898, while low costs are $4,736. They found the middle value of costs on $5,406. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends are $5.92. Change for April